A reliable battery jump starter quickly revives dead car batteries, prevents roadside emergencies, and ensures safe, convenient travel without needing another vehicle. My today's video is about top 5 best battery jump starters for cars that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Luckfire M7 Smart Ignition Jump Starter. The M7 battery jump starter is a versatile roadside companion that goes far beyond basic emergency starting. Its direct drive technology can revive completely dead 0V batteries and even start vehicles without a battery installed, making it exceptionally dependable for unexpected breakdowns. Compatible with 12V cars, SUVs, RVs, motorcycles, and boats, it handles engines up to 10L gas and 8.5L diesel with confidence. A standout feature is smart ignition technology, which actively protects your vehicle's ECU by monitoring voltage and preventing harmful spikes. Combined with multiple built-in safety protections, it offers peace of mind for both modern and older vehicles. TV certification, fire-resistant construction, and reliable operation in temperatures as low as -30°C demonstrate its premium build quality. Beyond jump starting, the integrated 150 psi air compressor, 60 Wh USB-C power bank, and bright LED flashlight make it a complete 4-in-1 emergency solution. Lightweight, compact, and travel-ready, the M7 is an excellent investment for safer, more prepared driving in any season. Now our second product is Gulu GP4000 Jump Starter 4000, a peak car starter. The Gulu GP4000 is a powerful and dependable battery jump starter designed to handle almost any roadside emergency. Delivering an impressive 4000 amp peak current, it quickly revives dead 12V batteries and features a dedicated boost mode for extremely low voltage batteries. It supports all gasoline engines and diesel engines up to 10.0L, making it suitable for cars, trucks, motorcycles, RVs, tractors, ATVs, and more. Beyond jump starting, the GP4000 doubles as a high-capacity portable power bank with dual USB outputs, including fast charging and a USB-C port for modern devices. Its ability to provide over 60 jump starts on a single charge makes it an excellent companion for long trips. Safety is another major strength, thanks to 10 built-in protection systems and durable all-metal smart clamps that reduce the risk of incorrect connections. The rugged, drop-resistant housing, integrated LED flashlight, and reliable operation in temperatures from -20°C to 60°C make this jump starter a trustworthy choice for year-round driving and emergency preparedness. Our third product is Oxedo 6000, a jump starter. The Oxedo 6000, a jump starter is a high-performance emergency tool built for drivers who want maximum reliability. Its powerful 6000 A peak current easily starts all gasoline engines and diesel engines up to 12L, making it ideal for cars, trucks, motorcycles, boats, tractors, and other heavy-duty 12V vehicles. Even in temperatures from -20°C to 60°C, it delivers dependable performance with up to 60 jump starts per charge. The smart LCD display is a standout feature, providing real-time battery percentage, charging status, and clamp connection information for a more confident user experience. One-touch boost mode and intelligent voltage detection simplify starting low-voltage batteries, while upgraded spark-free clamps with multiple safety protections help ensure secure operation. The built-in 12,000 mAh power bank with dual USB ports keeps phones and other devices charged during travel, while the 3-mode LED flashlight adds valuable roadside safety. Compact, lightweight, and easy to store, the Oxedo 6000A is an excellent all-in-one emergency companion for everyday driving and long road trips. Now number 4, Astro I S8 Car Battery Jump Starter 1500A. The Astro I S8 Battery Jump Starter is a compact yet capable emergency tool that delivers dependable performance for everyday drivers. Its 1500A peak current and high-rate lithium battery can quickly start 12V vehicles with engines up to 6.0L gasoline and 3.0L diesel, making it suitable for motorcycles, sedans, SUVs, pickups, and lawnmowers. The intelligent boost mode automatically detects low battery voltage and enables force starting when needed, making it especially useful for deeply discharged batteries. Safety is a key strength, with 8 built-in protection systems and durable metal clamps that help prevent overheating, reverse polarity, overcharging, and short circuits. Beyond jump starting, it functions as a portable power bank and features a bright LED flashlight with standard, strobe, and SOS modes for roadside emergencies. weighing less than a pound, the S8 is highly portable and easy to store in any vehicle. With reliable performance, user-friendly operation, and solid safety features, it offers excellent value for emergency preparedness and daily peace of mind. And our last choice is Noco Boost GB4012V 1000A UltraSafe. The Noco GB40 is a compact yet highly capable lithium jump starter designed for dependable roadside emergencies. With 1000 amps of peak power, it can instantly revive dead 12V batteries and provide up to 20 jump starts per charge for gasoline engines up to 6.0 L and diesel engines up to 3.0 L. Its compact size makes it easy to keep in a glove box or emergency kit without sacrificing performance. One of its biggest strengths is Noco's UltraSafe technology, featuring patented spark-proof and reverse polarity protection that makes jump-starting safer and virtually foolproof, even for first-time users. The integrated USB power bank is perfect for charging smartphones, tablets, and other essential devices, while the 100-lumen LED flashlight offers 7 lighting modes, including SOS and strobe, for added roadside safety. Built with an IP65-rated rugged housing and heavy-duty clamps, the GB40 is engineered to withstand tough conditions. Reliable, portable, and user-friendly, it's an excellent investment for every driver's emergency preparedness. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.